The battery dead enough.
Oh man, what the hell? Yeah.
Get that jumper again.
Woo! Yo, Craig, is it 2-0? 2-0? RBC. Was it a blocks? What's the throttle by? 72? Stop.
Yeah, you gotta oh shit. Is this gonna work?
It should. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's a nice little setup going.
Yeah, it's so quiet.
Oh, what? I thought. Healthy, bro. No smoking. Yeah, it's dumb quiet. Damn. I like it. Keeps the cops away. No leaks? Hey, the suspension, forgot to update. I forgot you did the fronts, right? The suspension's done. Nice. It's LSD? Transmission?
Yeah.
Sweet. Just peep that. Nice. In case anyone thinks we're lying, right? So
Everything's done. Everything. Radiators in.
Rollovers and fronts. You adjusted the height already, right?
Yeah.
All that stuff? Heights adjusted. Clutch and flywheel stop?
No,
Or stay-
XZD stage 3.
Okay. Upgrade. Alright. Stock 20. 1320 headers. Mounts. That's new, right? The rad?
Yeah.
Radiator and fan. Brand new. Brand new. Oh, it's so quiet. RBC manifold, stock throttle body, right?
Yeah.
Stock throttle body. Upgraded fuel system. 3-inch exhaust, right?
Yeah, 3-inch cat pack. What up, man?
Ready for Darnell, right, bro?
Magna flow. I'm coming for you. Don't pop in no hoods, man. You know what I mean? Don't pop in no trunks either, you know what I mean?
Oh yeah.
How the VTEC so loud? I got 2 VTECs.
You think you can, bro? You think so?
What? Me? How dust this? Come on, man. Stop trying to play me, man.
Oh, shit's on.
How dust this? Any head package case warning, let me know, man. I'm in the red
You
coupe.
ready to stop case
Yo.
like that?
Like stock?
Yeah.
In these?
Like
Or
two?
size?
Oh, these are like bubble swap them.
Nobody ready for me yet.
Oh,
He's
shit.
gonna be the first one.
I'm ready for whoever.
Clearly. Hello rigging just to get this going. Freaking exhaust. Literally, I had to redo the whole thing. The whole thing. No leaks.
There was more from them in the car.
Craig, when do you think it'll be up for sale?
Huh?
When do you think it'll be up for sale? Estimation.
I finish up a few things, like clean up the. Cause the thing is, I ran into a little issue. Of the fucking the transmission I had to put in the car has a second gear scratch. So around there right now, I'm doing another fresh transmission that's going to take that one out, put another one in.
Gotcha.
The tranny is just scratching nothing. The second is back. I got a junkyard tranny.
Mhm. True.
So
Kind of like a hit or miss.
yeah, so So I got another transmission that's putting together, and I'm gonna finalize it tomorrow, button it up, and then in a couple of days or so, I'm gonna snatch this one out, pop that order with him, and I'm also gonna put I got 36mm hubs and stuff for it too.
And I'll upgrade that. Yeah, this car's gonna come full package, man. Whoever gets this thing, fully loaded. Also, is that the old thing? The old swap? That one?
Yeah, the CX engine. Real clean engine, real nice.
You're selling this too? Maybe?
Yeah. And it looked like somebody did a fresh head gasket on it at some point.
Yeah. She runs. She's running. Alright guys, so that wraps up episode 2. You know, we pretty much did our little touches that we wanted to do, which is, you know, the front coilovers, adjusting the ride height, which Craig did, putting the motor in, starting it up, making sure it runs on its own, you know, finishing up the exhaust system, and I think that's about it for now. I know Craig said on episode 3 you guys are probably gonna see you know, Craig upgrade the spindles to 36mm spindles and hubs. The transmission, like he said, has a scratch. The one that has right now is a second gear scratch, so already has one that he's gonna put in, just has to throw it on. And I think that's about it. I'm trying to think anything else that I missed. I think he's trying to throw on some accessories on the outside, like I don't know if there's lips or things like that that he wants to do. But another thing I want to add too, guys, like I also want to add this in, which is, you know, there's other cars actually in the lot that I think he's trying to sell. One of them is a SI, like a burgundy red one, a coupe SI Civic. There's an EK coupe as well, automatic. But I guess in the next episode I'll throw more of that in there. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this one, and I'll see you guys in episode 3.